We're going to practice one of the most important suffixes, ing. Remember that this sound is ng, so this is ing, sing, ing, ring. This is ink. Notice that the sound sounds more like ng followed by an k because ink is very hard to say. Ink, 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 rink. Song, song. Bank, bank. Ink, pink. Jump, jump. Ing, jumping. Swim, swim. Swimming, swimming. Notice that if we have one consonant after a short vowel sound, we will usually double the consonant before adding the ing. Plan, plan. Planning, planning. Notice the double N here. Run, run. Running, running. Jump, jump. Jumping, jumping. Sing, sing. Singing, singing. Remember that a Y at the end of a very short word usually has the long I sound of I. Fry, fry. That's covered in level 2, lesson 10. Frying, frying. Jog, jog. Jogging, jogging. Even though a G may say j before an I, in this case, the root word is jog with a hard G. And so the sound of this G does not change by adding the suffix. Sing, sing, singing, singing. Let's try some sentences. Now here's the root word. The root word ends in a Y and is short, so we will use the long I sound. Flying, flying, kite, kite. Remember the silent E makes the I have its long sound. Lands, lands. On a singing, singing dog, dog. And a jogging, jogging pig, pig. A flying kite lands on a singing dog and a jogging pig. A swimming, swimming, shark, shark, can win in a race. Remember that the silent E not only makes the A have its long sound, but makes the C take the soft sound of S. With a tiny fish. If you forgot that AR says R, please go back to level 3, lesson 7. We covered the 2 sounds of TH in level 2, lesson 8. Y having the long E sound was covered in level 3, lesson 2. And sh, it was covered in level 2, lesson 7. And also we have covered in several lessons when a syllable ends in a vowel, try the vowel's long sound first.